Welcome to Blackwell's restaurant. How can I help you? Okay, you want a pizza with olives, chicken, paprika. Okay. Oh, okay, you want two pizzas. One small and one large. Okay, thank you for the order. Now let's prepare two pizzas. One small and one large. So now let's start. Now let's take out the stuff we need. For the pizza, we are going to use dough. We're also going to use olives. Mommy, the olives. High five. Mama, high five. Paprika. Tomato sauce. And beluga. Yummy. Now the things are here. Now let's start making the pizza. And now let's add the tomato sauce. Now we need mozzarella cheese. Carrot. Now we're done with the mozzarella, and now let's add chicken. Now let's start adding the olives. Need to add mozzarella. Now let's just add one last thing. So we need to add oregano, add pasta and pizza fix. So now let's do it. Now our pizza is done, so we just need to bake it in the oven. Okay, so now our pizza is starting to bake. And now